Dzień dobry.
And welcome to Kraków.
Yes, we've made it to Poland, which we're very excited about.
It's a really, really cool place. We've never been anywhere like this before.
I'm totally ignorant, actually. I really want to learn as much as possible.
So we are a long way from New Zealand and we're excited to explore the old town and try as much food as we possibly can.
Yeah, in fact, we thought we'd make this vlog more food focused than usual, just because we aren't that well versed in the Polish cuisine, but we know there's lots of good stuff to try, so we want to dive in.
Oh yeah, come with us for some good food and a fun day.
Just poked our head out of the skylight like gophers.
So we're starting out on the Vistula river. I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing that wrong. This river runs through Kraków and it is an awesome place to walk. You can take boat cruises, you can do lots of fun stuff. It's a bit grey today, so we're gonna favour just eating food and staying inside. But we're also under this epic castle.
Yeah, that red brickwork is super cool. It reminds me of like Oxenfurt or Novigrad from The Witcher 3. By the way, can we get some love for that video game in the comments? Amazing, awesome Polish export.
So behind me is a fire-breathing dragon. We might hang out here for a bit and see if we can get to see the fire come out of its mouth. So right now we're just making our way through the park to our first food spot, which is a place that sells Zapiekanka. I think that's how that's said.
Yeah, Zapiekanka.
Yeah, there you go.
Something like that.
It's like a Polish-style pizza.
Yeah.
It's a street food and it'll be a delicious lunch for us.
We're simple creatures. We hear pizza, we see pizza, sign us up.
Oh yeah.
Now we're trying so hard with the Polish language, folks. Please bear with us. Those Slavic sounds are so unfamiliar to us. But my goodness, it is a beautiful language. So we'll keep trying.
Nice coffee.
Seal of approval.
So this is our first ever Polish pizza. It's really good. Spicy sauce, cheesy, mushroomy, and it's a soft but a little bit crispy bread. Really good.
Oh yeah, really nice stringy cheese. That spice has a good zing, bit of pizzazz. It's a really nice like cheese toasty, what do you call it? Grilled cheese, but with a Polish spin on it. I really like this. Simple is often best.
Well, that was fucking fantastic. Really good food, really good value. It worked out at about $6 New Zealand dollars, and we actually split it. That was half each we were having. And
That's
really,
mad value, that's great.
so good. One of the reasons we wanted to come to Poland is we knew we'd get better value for money here, and you know, we'd be able to treat ourselves a little bit more than, say, our time in Germany where the budget was really limited. So that's really working out well. If you're wondering, is Poland beautiful? The answer is yes.
This is a big square. It reminds me a little of Italy actually, with everyone eating outside the restaurants. Lots of interesting architecture. There's a big tower to my left. There's some interesting art, including a severed head and random horses roaming around. So yeah, definitely worth a visit.
You know your town is awesome when you have a tower like this in its center. Okay, so we're gonna try and find some sweet things.
Yeah, we've seen a few bakeries in Poland so far and they look pretty appetizing.
Gosh, when you're not in the beautiful old town, you find yourself in another beautiful park. I can't believe how beautiful it is here. So we've popped into a little bakery we saw and we've got what is called sernik. This is a Polish cheesecake. And it looks like layers of cheesecake kind of meringue with a pastry on the bottom. And I think maybe this is an apricot.
Some fruit, yeah.
I'm gonna dig into this. I'm really excited. I've never had anything that looked like this before. Oh, it's soft. Okay. Coconut. Coconut, cheesecake, fruit, butteriness, and this is like a meringue. That is a really beautiful, unique flavor. Glad I tried it.
Me personally, I couldn't pass up the caramel tart. I think there are walnuts on the top too, and I absolutely love nuts, especially walnuts. I'm quite nuts. I'm breaking this beautiful creation. Oh, there we go. That's lovely. Quite rich, but really decadent. A little bit like toffee, that's what it's giving me. That is almost too good. I'm not sure I can finish the whole thing because as I said, it is really rich, but wow, that hits on a flavor level.
If you like salted caramel, you will love this. Also, if you like pecan pie, it's a bit like that.
And I'd say with this one, just to draw a New Zealand connection, it's a little bit like pavlova at Christmas time, just with a little extra fruit. Well, different fruit, not strawberries, apricots. That was fantastic. Right now we're going to head back to the Airbnb for probably a sugar coma.
Let's be honest. But we'll be back later on for some dinner.
See you then.
We are back. We've had our nap and now we're heading out for dinner for some classic Polish food.
Oh yeah, I've got pierogi on the mind, but I need to see the menu and then I'll make up my mind.
Yeah, I'm gonna use my nose, my eyes, and I'm gonna think about this one.
But we've looked up this restaurant, it has really good reviews, so it's promising. It's a promising evening.
I'm hungry, let's do it. So we're in a very warmly decorated Polish restaurant. We've placed our orders, and in the background, live piano music. Zdrowie.
Zdrowie.
That was really nice.
Smooth.
Okay, so what I've ordered is bigos, which is a stew. In English, I believe it's called hunter's stew, and it has lots of meat, beef, some game meats as well, and sauerkraut in a beautiful tomato sauce, served with bread. It's a very hearty winter stew. Yeah, really tasty. I'll try some of the meat. Got some sausage in here. Very hearty. Very tasty.
Poland is a really cool soup culture, and I've always been a soup person, so I approve. Ooh, very earthy, a bit tart. Oh, that's really unique. I haven't had many soups that have tasted like this before. It's like a little sourness there, but it's a really interesting flavor. I think this is going to grow on me the more I have. Pierogi. So I ordered the vegetarian ones. I went for a spinach filling, and there's some feta as well, plus some sour cream as the sauce. Oh, that's a lovely casing. It's so soft. This is the real article. We just don't get it like this in New Zealand. Not from the places I've been to anyway. That's so comforting.
Okay, pro tip. You dip the pierogi into this stew.
Tasty morsel.
That is insanely good. Today I'm going to attempt to make a Polish dish called Gołąbki, which is like a stuffed cabbage roll. It is made of cabbage, ground meat, typically pork and beef. However, I mistakenly bought turkey mince, so I guess we're having that. Rice and it's bound with eggs, and it's in like a tomato sauce. It's not dissimilar to like enchiladas, because you kind of make up these wraps and then you cook it in a tomato sauce, so I think I can do this. Wish me luck. As for Logan's wraps, we're gonna do some mushroom mince. Hopefully that works. Alright, that. So it's been bubbling away for nearly 2 hours now. Let's see the final results. Oh, that looks good to me.
This smells really good. Here's my vegetarian mushroom one. Mmm, really good flavor. Quite herbaceous. Mmm, that's so nice. It tastes almost meaty, like it's a really good illusion. You know what I really like about this recipe? Back home in New Zealand, we're always cooking Korean toast, and therefore we always have like cabbage left over. This is a great way to use leftover cabbage. Well done, Tim. Learning a new recipe, very, very good.
One of the things I love the most about travel is food. I love to try other cultures' food. Now this may not be the most authentic version of this dish, but my goodness, it was fun to make it and I'm really interested to try. I'll have to get one in a restaurant tomorrow to compare if I did a good job or not, but it smells pretty fantastic to me. Mmm. That's really nice, you're right, herbaceous. And I mean, the turkey mince is probably not the right meat, but it certainly worked. I'm looking forward to making this at home in New Zealand.
Well, we've just poked our head out of the skylight like gophers.
We've been loving staying in Kraków. The people have been so kind, the food so excellent.
Totally. We started off on the wrong foot actually. Like we left our camera bag on a train and it had my passport in the front, so like crisis situation. It ended up in this beautiful town called Lublin.
Yes.
And thank goodness a cleaner found it on the train and actually put it in lost property, so we were able to go to Lublin and recover it. Oh.
It speaks to the kindness of Poland. People have been so generous and kind, and it's been a total joy visiting for the first time. We'll definitely be back.
We will be. Well, that's all from us. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a like and subscribe if you want to see more from us.
Indeed, and we're over on Instagram if you want to follow us there, and we now have a Patreon. So if you want to support the channel financially, anything you give us, we will invest back into traveling and making these vlogs, because they are expensive.
But they are amazing. We're having the best time traveling the world this year.
Yeah, awesome. Until next time.
Ka kite anō.
See ya!